About Karnataka. Karnataka is bordered by the Arabian Sea to the west, Goa to the northwest, Maharashtra to the north, Telangana to the northeast, Andhra Pradesh to the east, Tamil Nadu to the southeast, and Kerala to the southwest. It is the only southern state to have land borders with all of the other four southern Indian sister states. The state covers an area of 191,791 square kilometers or 5.83% of the total geographical area of India. Capital of the state, Bangalore. Bangalore is widely regarded as a Silicon Valley of India or IT capital of India because of its role as a nation's leading information technology exporter. Indian technological organizations are headquartered in this city. Locations 15.3173 degree north, 75.7139 degree east. Chief Minister of Karnataka, Basavaraj Bommai. About Chief Minister. He was born on 28 January 1960. He is the 23rd Chief Minister of Karnataka. He belongs to Bharatiya Janata Party. Chief Minister of Karnataka since 2021. Education, B.V. Bhutmaradi College of Engineering and Technology in 1982. Ruling party, Bharatiya Janata Party. Leader, Basavaraj Bommai. President, Nalin Kumar Katil. General Secretary, Arun Singh. Founded in 6th April 1980. Opposition party, the Indian National Congress is the opposition party in Karnataka. Leader, Siddaramaiah. Founded in 28 December 1885. Governor of Karnataka, Tawarchand Gehlot. Party, Bharatiya Janata Party. Born on 18 May 1948. Language. People in Karnataka speak Kannada. Traditional dance. Dollu Kunita. Traditional music, Carnatic music. Traditional food, Mysore Pak and Kurg curry. Traditional dress, women wear saris and men's wear dhoti or kurta. State symbol. The emblem is based on that of a kingdom of Mysore and coat of arms of a United Kingdom and is carried on all official correspondence made by the government of Karnataka. Education institutions. Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore. National Institute of Technology, Mangaluru. Alliance Law College, Bangalore. State animal, Asian elephant. State bird, Indian roller blue joy. State flower, lotus. State fruit, mango. Tourism spots. Tourist spots in Karnataka are Kurg, Hampi, Mysore Palace, Mysore Zoos, Somnathpura Temple, Lalbagh Botanical Garden, Bangalore Palace, Tipu Sultan's Summer Palace. I think my information and this PPT would help you to give more information about Karnataka. Thank you.